Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at an independent deck. This is called Astraea's Dream. It's created by Carly Marie Taylor and AntiqueArcana.com. So they sent this deck to me, so thank you so much. This retails for $78.40, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Now, before we get into the unboxing, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about this deck just because it's not written on the packaging here. So, Astraea is the virgin goddess of justice, innocence, purity, and precision. She is the daughter of Zeus and Themis. She lived over mankind during the Golden Age when there were no wars, hungers, suffering, or strife. Humans, because of their violence, selfishness, and ignorance of the fundamental cosmic laws, became the saddest representatives of planet Earth. In the Bronze Age, she got so disgusted with mankind she left for the stars. Astraea's dream is to one day return to Earth and usher in a new golden age of humanity. This deck is about the dream world that she has created in the constellation of Virgo, a world ruled by women and animals. It is influenced by galactic imagery, a multicultural perspective, the worlds of yoga, meditation, shamanism, sacred geometry. Each card is a work of art created over 2 years of research and devotion. It is based on the classic Rider-Waite-Smith symbolism. The deck is suitable for beginners, enthusiasts, and advanced tarot readers. A book is in preparation about Astraea and the world that she lives in. All right, so let's get into it. And this packaging is beautiful. I do not own a deck that opens up like this. Check this out. It's like a little envelope. This unique and magical set of 78 cards will bring the dream world, a reality, into your hands. And then look, it flips out like this. That is so crazy. I've never had a deck package like that. That is really cool. All right. It is a nice size. There's the background. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, wow. The faces. Kaleidoscope imagery there. Let's talk about cardstock. Oh, it's nice. So it's kind of similar to US game systems where it's very flexible, but it snaps back. It's a matte. Very nice. Oh, had it upside down. We've got some white borders. We've got a number over in the corner here and a title card. So this says source. I'm going to read it out because I don't think the video is going to pick up, or it might be hard to read for some of you. Really cool. Initiation. I love the colors. The veil. Ooh. Oh, that's stunning. Nature. Ooh, authority. Oh, little penguins. Oh my gosh. The chess pieces in the background. I feel like every time you go to use this deck, you'll pick up on more and more things. Dogma. Harmony. Oh, that's so pretty. Chariot. Strength. The lions there. The owl. The recluse. Wheel of Fortune. Equilibrium. The Hanged Man. Transformation. There's so much detail. Alchemy. Temptation. The Tower. The Star. Oh, that hummingbird. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. Universe. All right, so then it goes into the suits. We are now in the Wands. I won't read them out. This is beautiful. I love the colors. I love the art style. I think it's very dreamy, ethereal. The symbolism is all there. It's also one of those things that allows your intuition to kind of take over and guide you to what's important in that particular image at the time in regards to your reading. Oh, so pretty. I can't wait for the book to come out to get even more of like a behind the scenes look at, you know, the reason for certain symbols, or, you know, why they chose this, or all of that. It's just beautiful. It's different. I feel like there are decks that are similar style and art, but like it does feel more galactic. It does feel more space-like, but in a dreamy, ethereal sort of way. So very different, very cool. Oh, this is the Page. We just saw the Knight. Oh, do you see the little black cat? Love it. Ace of Cups. So now we are in cups. Those delicate hands. Pretty. Oh, cute. There's so much to look at. So we have the King here. Knight. Page. And Queen. Ooh, Pentacles. Look at all of that. The feel of the cardstock is great. It's really beautiful. I'm just finding myself getting deeper and deeper into the artwork, and I really enjoy that about a deck. Seeing all the layers. So yeah, I can totally see using this deck and getting a different intuitive hit each time with the same card. King. The Knight. Oh my goodness, a zebra. Page. And Queen. And our last suit here with the swords. Ooh. I like this, like what it symbolizes. Wow. All right, King. Got the Knight. Page. And Queen. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Ooh, yep. Satisfying. Yeah, no, it feels really good to shuffle. It's a nice size, and it shuffles nice this way too. So there is no guidebook, so we can't read for the card, but I hope I get to see the guidebook when it does come out because I am intrigued. I think this is beautiful. I think the artwork is just gorgeous. The symbolism, in my opinion, is there. I think this will be great. Even without the guidebook, you can kind of tap into the energy of the cards. If you connect to this deck and are impatiently waiting for the guidebook to come out, you can totally take any of the tarot reference guidebooks that utilize Rider-Waite-Smith imagery and have that to help you through this deck, especially if you are a beginner but you want to connect with this deck in particular. You can always utilize a reference guidebook. I do have a video. If you have not seen that, I will link it in the eye here. But yeah, I think that it's totally beautiful. I think it's great quality. The cardstock is so nice. It's very different feeling. Like I said, it reminds me of a few different types of decks, kind of similar to like Danielle Noel and Rebecca Campbell, that sort of a thing, but it's entirely in its own kind of genre, if that makes sense. So it's like similar, but it's not. So I love the size. I love the quality. I think this will be interesting to work with. I think, like I said, you'll find something new every time you use this deck. There's something that's going to pop out that's new to you that will indicate where your intuition needs to go. So thank you so much to Antique Arcana for sending this deck my way to share with you all. I am so excited to see what else you come up with. I really am excited to get to know this. And now I would love to know what you all think about this deck. Are you intrigued? Are you interested? Is this right up your alley, or is this a pass for you? Please let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop your favorite planet or earth emoji, any kind of planet earth emoji down there as well. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.